Hello, I'm your friend, Teacher Sam. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of English verbs, specifically bring, brought, take, and took. These are common verbs that you'll encounter frequently in English, so mastering their use is crucial. We'll begin with the verb bring. Bring is used when you are moving something with you to the place where you're going. For example, if you're going to a party and you're carrying a gift with you, you would say, I bring a gift to the party. Next, let's discuss brought, which is the past tense of bring. If you were talking about a party you attended yesterday and you carried a gift with you, you would say, I brought a gift to the party. Now we move on to take. This verb is used when you're moving something or someone with you from the place where you are. For instance, if you're at home and you're about to go to work carrying your bag with you, you would say, I take my bag to work. And finally, we have took, the past tense of take. If you're talking about a previous event where you moved something or someone from one place to another, you use took. For example, if you're talking about yesterday when you went to work with your bag, you would say, I took my bag to work. Now, let's review what we've learned. Bring and brought are used when you're moving something with you to the place where you are going, while take and took are used when you're moving something from the place where you are. Remember, bring and take are present tense, while brought and took are past tense. By understanding and practicing these common English verbs, you're already enhancing your English skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to use these verbs in your everyday conversations. As we wrap up, I want you to remember this. English, like any language, is a journey, not a destination. Every word you learn, every sentence you construct, brings you one step closer to fluency. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. This is your friend, Teacher Sam, signing off. Until next time.